1/2 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you're going to mix that up. Like that. And now you're going to microwave for 30 seconds at a time. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. Stir it up. And now just keep doing that. 30 seconds, stir. 30 seconds, stir. Okay, this was 5 times in the microwave, 30-second intervals. You can switch to a fork so that you can get out any lumps. So transfer it to a bottle. And this will store in the fridge for 3 months or more. So there you go. There's a very easy homemade glue that you can make.